Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm in St. Louis, Missouri, outside of The Arch. I'm staying at Hyatt Regency at The Arch, and walking right outside of the hotel, you can see this magnificent structure. This is the Arch National Park. Many people here walking, some graduation photos, celebrations. The Arch store to go, some food trucks, lemonade, ice cream for sale. See a church in the background and many large buildings. Gateway Arch National Park. You can enter the Arch and take a tram or an elevator for a higher view. Somewhere around $20 if it's not sold out. Buy your tickets in advance. National Park Service, U.S. Department of the Interior. See an area at the bottom where people are walking inside, and at the top a different view. See the arch in the back, but people looking off past it. So far, good stay here in St. Louis. Came out to meet with locals and Carissa from Rove, who's been on my podcast several times. See a sign marker ahead. Arch Entry Visitor Center, Old Cathedral, and the Riverfront area. And you could see closer to that church or cathedral, as the sign says. A little bit windy, but decent weather here towards the end of May 2026. There was a bit of rain yesterday, but today, clear skies, easy going, good weather. People laying in the grass. The lawn is manicured. Surely it's cut very often. Kids rolling down a little hill and the waterfront area in the back. People posing for pictures with the arch. And you could see one of the segments right ahead going all the way up, obscured on one end by a tree, but you could see the nice clear skies today. Riverfront area, going further back, you can see some ships, some buildings, casino in the back, various flags, U.S. flag, and much more. Some stairs towards the back of the structure. You get up quite close. And here is the guardrails going around. Courthouse in the back, or former courthouse. And there is the Hyatt Regency, the American flag up top. Some bikes going down the hill. More people walking in the waterfront area in the back. You can see the big structure from the bottom going all the way up and over to the other side. The day continues through Sunday. I'll be checking out of the hotel on Monday, flying back. Have the St. Louis airport going to Chicago, quick flight, and then a flight from Chicago to Philadelphia, flying both with United. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from the Arch at St. Louis. Stay tuned for more content.